Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Perplexity AI API key in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure you're logged into your Perplexity account, and once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. Now, inside the small window, you'll see an option called API. You want to click on it. And by the way, if you haven't created an API group yet, you'll be prompted to do so. You'll need to enter a few details like an API name, a description, and your billing information, including a card, since API access requires a pro version of Perplexity. Now, once that's set up, you want to head over to API keys, this one, then just simply click on create key, and just like that, your new Perplexity API key will be generated. You can now copy and use this key in your projects or applications. Again, keep in mind you need to add a payment method first and a pro version of Perplexity before you can generate your API key. And that's it. Quick and simple. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.